Hi, Examine Life 1 students. Professor Gibson here. We are on to Module 7, our last week of this 7-week online asynchronous class. I hope you've learned a lot. Okay, so your big thing this week is your final essay or culminating paper. You have completed the brainstorming for that, and it looked really good. If I gave you any feedback on anything to change, please make sure you do that. The biggest thing with this paper is that you're going to want to submit these scholarly sources that back up your goals, so that if you're talking about, for instance, eating healthier, you might back it up with information on what a proper diet is, amount of calories, fruits and veggies, that kind of thing. And make sure you're using in-text citations throughout your paper and have your references in APA format at the end. Along with your big culminating assignment, you have the normal discussion board post this week. So you're going to continue reading Born a Crime by Trevor Noah and read the chapter about the cheese boys. And it's really interesting. They call the rich kids the cheese boys in South Africa because the cheese was really expensive. So if you could afford to get cheese with your burger, that was pretty impressive. So you're going to read over 4 tips for setting personal goals, time management and goal setting, the social aspect of achieving your goals, dealing with setbacks and obstacles, and then you're going to download this PowerPoint and go through it with the narration. And then there are 2 videos here that you're going to watch and reference. Okay, so making sure that you have your initial post completed before Thursday of this week. And then your other discussion is just simply a course reflection. What concepts did you take away from your readings, videos, assignments, additional research, anything that surprised you, anything that interested you, or that maybe that you found not interesting. There are some videos here. And then some prompts here, and everyone has been doing pretty well with following the prompts for your discussion boards. So since the assignment is a big paper, you only have the 2 discussion boards, and then finally your big paper. Okay, so here's all the instructions. The reason, if you see this at HU, this percentage means that it is an assignment that we do assessments college-wide on. So professors are not allowed to change any of the instructions, any of the rubric. So it's pretty consistent. It's absolutely consistent through every class that goes through the Examine Mind here at HU. So I just wanted to make sure. Yep, so you have 2 discussion boards and then your culminating paper that are due this week. So have a good week and reach out with any questions. Thanks.